pare ke Nigeria o ye be alowe o pin we ya hara o me sure gi yen eda gbon we na o ri ya ewa unu we ka me nwa ime prince no ki prince na me nwa e prince no mwere regboto ibi e bo we ga se platform iwe o me sure gu munya gboto ni bi esan wa munya gboto agun ani ha eke no ana temata uta eke bongo edo atemata na bi e bon bogi dawe ne ibi e do ni reference wa ga mo la wa ge yu nwe mi no mama yo eke no na mi o yesen be no rie so we ge mu ahia emi ke mi ni bi esen be we ge yu won e don prison wo pa ke ya mu ma ni bi e do ma we ma won ga wo e manipulate no wa manipulate mama ri gwa lo ma o wa ya fefe ana miegu le lohu o ma bere rohu na ma leke ke nukere o ma leke biero we nu e ko zin yo kere ameni nu geri e duwe e o na ri e jo na me cho o ri we o na ri we sugboloko na wetin you want tell me that peku so be like witchcraft you don't enter now you no fit come out you no go fit come out again even though you dey run dey go o ye nene nuhin o ma me traditional you no go work Guy, you don't have anything to do again. If you know I call you here, who echo swan for. No doubt be able, well, while I lilian, why do I tell you? Where do I quati where do what tia, or be a gia? No, why I tell you, just to raise yourself. We beg you life you winner. We not go mad you if you like make it no honor swab your do your own when we were Jenny in me go. That mo gear one. do you no your call do people we not send you because we see as you take bring us down for we see as you take bring us down for your platform. You want please spekus abi you want please spekus spekus no we please na they will not afa guy afa ozuo what we are doing here no nie na go be kokobiri na what we are doing ye na go anytime. You are very yeye man. Ulele o wa hian erere ma be gbanu we ma bere no ko ya woge o bia ni erere gbani o we mi no wan understand anything at all you go stand down you go see measure say yes settle you go see dey yo always wow a live video we can we are control or if you come out you see now na people dey insult some people now you na see na people dey insult some people zuo ate wo ma be omo doni ekenu na awon doni egbenu na awon doni e trapping na awon doni wo we trapping ni o se nu na awon pia ni abi una le we family ni o give you san eje very oni de iya ga awon we just to use you iya ga awon we just to use you ya lowe we takun we ga be expire ni amugwe fo abi mo be you are very yeye man you not get sense. If you laugh from today, they cry, go reach tomorrow, we not go mad you. Me, I know they go your platform again because that mumu where you they mumu for your platform, they bring your people down for other people. Me, I know what they see. I feel your client Bob just now. I go curse you. I say, you na go be a dohini, you na mwere regbotoni. Okay, ya me ya ino. So that uga diagbariave, uga iriagbariave, uga me mwen. Wa kinyeri ya mwenenemi eria manipulate eria wonona o ma manipulate we your brain na mumu brain I make am you know you manipulate you na mumu you be how dare you as you be so you say you be prince you be enemy chief for beneath there una ya mo ye san be omulagwa wa wodo agbare tun do agbibi edo udo amu bi edogboto emi oparo na tayo we onu no na lawe oni who vie dey bros you dey cry dey call you never see anything your cry you dey start rubbish man call dey cry for here mo na no man am o wa ni bi edo wa guys yo giyan pa yu won emu mi no ma orí o se be
sugu ni wa ni akoko ya gbe na
sugu e go mo e get one particular laugh wey dey like go dey ozuo obi ese bo wari azenu we u dede sugu we ese be o ya zenu ene we yamu weri ane guy edegbe mo hwedo wa mo hwi we esa hian just dey follow some people dey go we not send una because you see all as they do evil for this platform you see and they do evil as they travel they bring us down you want you stand with pekus una mo dia yekine pekusu je we pekusu na o keke no a defend pekusu emi no mi le pekusu o we mi na ozuo abe me una go na carry this man go that no let her dey cry Mona cut the video, mona go give am. Na mo abiomo ja, wan regret it, not see it, na bio. Omo down.
Wadomo, sir. For me, when I want my piece better, because you bad deserve it. You never supposed to even answer this or talk for your issue, self. Oh, you're bullshit. Honey, smooth your do your own, don't know your fian. Honey, valve your do your own, don't know your guagua, Emma, where no, she, or your boy. You dey feel me so? I can match your man like this, single sense, Egwe, amen. I agwagba, so me I imagine we na tagu nuna ina mi be record. Me ata we na tagu nuna iyen riere ya. Ori riere ya yo to abi wo suru dai. Macho ma ebe no ta de yo. Nene mi awe 5,000 is watching me. Please power tap. Where be na so view na the live screen over. Now features now. How I go you view this guy which kind of local boy be this? So where this bushman for come master? You're the happy for view. Now the value I'm with Mario do. Yeah, got here bonnet bene. That's one gear. If you my own one make guy now it betray best friend of a guy and one me or it betray best friend of a boy I say no selu. No ruselu gara owa wewe na eleden yo wa na we ko fikpo the all we ye wa ga ga ni no mu ye ba ni si go brain you not get obi amimi na that be no do me wen se we self because the way you take the reason that person will be say he leave his brain or die leg and so you take the reason about that arate blogger maga Arate blogger where the ake boy a blogger where maybe a blogger working a presenter working the ake boy yo we made a day bar at all ama we ye nana a blogger they feel me so because we buy me anything reasonable thing with a platform or where or even with a platform where we don't no exchange there. Me and my brother. Owe fi o pe oba wa awa we ko fi po yaga.
Bros,
When you swab your do you own MSG.
when the men are
Na
is
kan hog bo abudo ni.
when the men are is say, am I different between slave and foreign and stranger? You know what me don't prison now? Am I the difference? Okay, you tell me give you know when I come why am I the difference between slave and foreign and stranger? They don't prison my no what basena. Am I the difference between slave and house help? Wa mie na ekpele de na ido ekpele de ga correct e ozuo na ona da kama ga ere no o ye mu a we de mi joro na mo mi jo nya ho ga ohun dana wa be na egbe wa sa ga de gbe e welcome to TikTok no ka mi ere ni oni be gbe na no we mi no so no wa so ni o mi na and this kind of big person this guy your big rich so you don't know the difference between anyway you tell me man is a very useless man and when you add damn you're gonna be useless no matter the difference between slave and stranger or we have to read your slave I don't know set like a stranger and anything oh okay let don't please oh my god you know what I mean now or mind the difference hold on oh we bobo.
Okay, that TV just slave in your tie in your way the video ya ta.
Me na ti na settler stranger anything rotedo always slave you know or that
Unu ya na on ya your return ya e we no ya.
always stranger ministry o my the difference no one me na if you has a program there o my the difference no one me na no one no polo se na o yo wa
Ona ke gwa agbenira.
I'm in more with France. Why am I? Why am I no why? Can you imagine walking go there or walk go in the young winner if it were a charger or charger phone?
Sunday forget.
Or ring light.
Sunday.
You are go in the young winner. How do you tell me that?
You come, how do you come?
Anyway, tell me that
You can come and give me the back way. Yeah, why would you know? I won't know that way. We are watching you now. Why I got that? Yeah, we
regret. Regret.
Only a winner. Our ma, we are no warada ni. Solo boy, ya yo bo kan ko ni ko na gbe de be la wa ada han yi. Ada. Wa ya pe wa in France. Awi wa
kulia la ni aditali.
Awi la ma pa ya rete one room ne o ya lodge hotel for some days. Awi mo wa no mu yo wa is in our mu in France area.
Wona bukan kulia ya kwa, bukan ya kulia la kwa ni aditali ni adozo. Ni mama ya wigbe. Umana me go la shoro ya ma supermarket no na we.
No wa pray no wa pray. No so boy you book kan we kan ni ko no ye la wa. No wa roi. Oh, you know how you know.
Yeah.
Lazy youth. Lazy youth.
Play the video, finish your bed. Play the video. One man there, no, me. Oh, Ariave Orijo. Hey, ja. Hey, sorry, sorrow. When I'm going win now, our boy VB, our man depend on who. No more. Mama kakala yega ni kwete pankari marriage ewa. Ona ogeti makwa. Paika godmother woman ni no go for my sister. Iyama. Ya le ni agwa le kugbe na ni yakhwe Monica, ni agwa le kin ya go bi do ni agwa le kugbe na. Ni agwa le kugbe na yakhwo ni kin. Ni bi do ni me wa ni ro yin gbagbe na.
Monica ni bi ni agwa kwela yin. Come on, all those kind of people now they talk them again. No what that live video. Again, no bad you on.
Egbe wo mo ti o ma. No so no me wo ya as do yata. Oni wa ti be mu.
No me ma believe me ni. Lolo mara boye Monica kunre ise ona kan mo.
Iku ni bun wa do e ki dan ni mo mi. Iku ni bun wa do e. O se ere iku ya se won. Iya me ki amazon wo ba ni bun wo.
Isogo o ne Monica wa ne lolo ra boye kunre.
Ni bun wo wa de ki aye ko body.
We me ma set me think mojo. Understand. Eni ya ko ni kiyan bi esan mo understand.
No na e.
Iyan gegbe o pe mo.
Iku ni bun wa we ye wa do e ki amazon.
Ikwe ma pa no ikwe mo be we odi Mario ri male ru da we e manage e Monica ya won da ko no esi oni abegi yan wa gang up picket up pa ikake ya mo yan ye sen be ya kin Lene Monica ri aje e wa si ai fun kwa dai.
Na to please what I will talk. Okoya ko Monica la.
No kwe do plus fois.
Na to pusu de to.
Princess,
bi ye do ewe.
Ano
Ye ewie sembe ga ewi ta enya takoda adige ewi ni mata o e mata. Ewi ni wie sembe ga wu ya nye to nye he o ma no ria be o. Poto da we owie sembe mu e yo wa. Nyina do debe esembe. Owa mo no ria ebi ye do ni do ata na ebi ye do ata mata no ro na. We go keniri abe.
That
No,
is
why he boy na why he can mi can se ko lugo pa why he. But I say boy you go na what the best. Oh, we do gu.
Mute Tadi, no Zikudori. Okay, now, Baby Sky.
With the voice note.
Baby Sky. Baby Sky. Mashkin Yadewa.
We la ugoni, me we ugoni udo. On say not to not play, see.
Okay, don't please now. O ma de camera pa. O ko e yo kan you go no
ma
you
wa
go
do
la o. O ma kan ma.
Ma gen.
O mo ro pa we do ro pa ge la va runda ma e ne do please na we no ya mu bi e do go
my sister. Unwe no sunu. Opa ika we no mudi ane no pe fo ane here no pa. Ne se ayogwa ba. Ah, pa ika ku ne don princess take owie san. Oh, wa my your godmother woman here, woman I know.
O ni e ti e do gbe mo ni kan.
Agwa na yari oka agwa na yari oka onwa do bi
we do je we platform o no de ya pe
yo. Eni apa bobo yan miss blood de ni ki wo.
Oh, we o say let's mommy ave we no ma na ya ve.
Abe we no ma. Alo bua. Okay ya ti e bo mi ba.
Wa do wa ri sa obo akwo bi e do fun. Why no more you want we any problem. Na me and you come the job.
Oh, we san ye wekin.
Obviously, Monica, obviously. Oh,
why no?
Wa mudia make I play the video.
Play with the wait.
Ti we sin na we ma kun ni ala ti we.
Oh, I read you.
Because I tell you can't want this meeting to shine. For something like that, they talk and say they slap me up and down. Not when you talk. You are still giving them more.
Pelu bi how.
Are you Michelle lady? Don't worry. I've been working for 3 years. You know, say I'm maybe Tom Prince. You never know me. For 3 years, you know, we hear from people and tell government say I wrong. Go tell government say I got wrong. Now I tell government whether they get my life. Now I tell government whether they get my life.
San iye le abita kunye.
Well, I've been more than me so. I know people can go back.
Let me have government for this government. Whether I'm not giving it to
We'll go straight from the beginning now.
say don't please don't get right to his freedom. Let me know why. Me not get right to my freedom. Why not happens? Because me get my life. Everybody get a life. You understand me? So everybody get a life to live. So I mean get my life. Nobody will control me. They never born that person. They never born that person who want to control me. If I respect you as my wife, you respect me too. Don't pretend. Because if you pretend, almost to Sakpo. Go my enemy platform, they give her money gone. Because it is so easy. Because of this person, you don't break many of my phone. Because of this person, you don't scatter many of my which actually work. Because of this person. And the same person now, I go to settle with now. Whenever I get quarrel now, just because I come out saying now for now, I need to get my own apartment. About I talk my people, I need to get my own apartment. I need to stay where about I talk. I want you to get my own apartment. Must I be inside woman apartment for life? Must I be inside woman apartment for life? Okay, going to go and get my own now their problem day. And their problem day now when we say you are trying to blackmail me, you are trying to do what? If I have done anything wrong, come and say. Because you don't carry me enter social media. You don't carry me the media. So if I have done anything wrong, you know say some people, some of them not be manipulate. So if I have done anything wrong, you come and talk. Now I don't want to do what I take more for us now. Just by 1 month plus, if I'm not mistaken.
If I want more plus, I don't want to bring anybody come up, but I don't face. I don't want anybody talk for this issue for now. If anybody gets in one talk, I'll be talking commercial too. But if I bring anybody come, I'll probably ask me some kind of question. I don't want to answer any question. So man, I don't face. Right? Man, I don't face. I don't want to bring anybody up. I don't need any question. So if I have done anything wrong, come out and explain. This is social media. This is social media. If I've done anything wrong, come out and explain. You cannot be blackmailing me codedly, pretending you go to my enemy platform and be giving them money because they are supporting some people. Because they are supporting some people. You put a samata for her, put that for her like gala. If there is something people, your command will stand, you'll be happy. Yeah, you cannot try that to me. I'm a spiritual person. This means that say we'll start around. I see the way we say the one they something in here. We'll start around. Una carry bini chico man with the softer, carry our mama with softer. I say we'll start it. See, I got up there to say we'll not be 1 hour before that be to talk about my opa. You talk about I want to manage that one. You say Esa bini no be me. I don't like that one. They would have still we are one. They know the fact again. Now me they would settle Esa bini for this media. But God will turn me to a virus. I will become that virus people want. We will see what I want to. I will persevere with wisdom, not be play. But if you don't have to saka, now me and my way be say, will have been rich for this media. Now I see what my wife want to. When I use my wife to fight me. When I use her fight me, I don't send anybody papa. I don't send anybody papa. Me, I don't know Victor Prince. I don't send anybody papa. As I deliver on very soon, I will open my own everything when I will see her. I will open everywhere I will see her. Top Prince. People will walk with me. I will see her. I will see everything. One woman not because I tell you call one days meeting they shine. If for something like that, they talk and say they slap me up and down. Not where all the talk. You are still giving them more because now you be shell lady. Now you be shell lady. Don't worry. I block you for 3 years. You will know say I'm Victor Prince. You never know me. For 3 years, you know we hear from people and tell government say I wrong. Go tell government say I don't wrong. Now I tell government whether they get my life. Now I tell government whether they get my life. Okay? Let me tell government, we say government and I get my life. I don't need freedom for this world. Me not ready to get freedom for this world. Let me ask government for this government whether me not need to get freedom. Say don't please don't get right to his freedom. Let me know why. Me not get right to my freedom. I know why. Say I put one is a woman for us. Though they misbehave, they'll see some person will do evil, or some people will lock up. But Benin person will do one thing, all of them will beat the Benin person. All of them will beat the even some Benin will not get sense. All of them will beat it. But the first why is a man do something, or why is a woman do something, all of them will be banner. They will be banner. They will not say they will be banner. They will be banner. They will cover the thing on the matter. But Benin man do something. Or they better like wish. They pay me for some of my way Benin, we don't know what they do. Some of our way Benin, they pay me say, when they sell on asset for these people. Then you see what your mom for the talk now. Or mom they say, when give me the saga yes a person, I'm sagaring my children. But if I'm also the saga Benin people, you know the saga is children. You don't know the trap where market will be. You don't know the trap where it born for. Whether my Hausa people also born for. Whether they papa now, I don't know where you get from. I don't know where I'm also for come. I know I'm also get right to saga Benin people. Or you don't bring the saga some extra people where they misbehave. Don't bring the saga in the children. And why would they happy for SARS? Don't have to listen to them. You see where you lose to be. You will expose your wife's secrets. Now this is our children's secrets. How do you see that? This is very, very bad. It's too bad. the bad people. Oh, God, I'm the companies. Now, we hear more. Now, we will expose many examples. You should be like this. Let's expose your wife's secrets. Let's expose your children's secrets. You see where past come? You not to say I want to expose this secret to. You see I want to expose my wife's secrets. Because I let my wife put this up her head like gala. You put this on her head like gala. Okay, as I want to expose some people's secret, that's my wife's secret I want to expose. But if you want to expose many people's secret, not be your own wife or you want to expose. If you want to expose Benin people's secrets, those Benin women when they carry come out, if you want to expose them, not be your own wife's secret they expose, not be your wife children they expose. You see their life. These are their manipulating people. These are their manipulating people. That is why I met on principle social media. I feel we're here. I feel we're here. Now who they craze go they craze. Now who not get sense, no get sense for life. So who no get sense can never get sense for life. How can you say me if I insult this person, I'll be insulting my children? But if you insult the people, you are not insulting your children. Somebody will still carry him, they believe this guy person that is manipulating people. It's a shame. A beer yagbon. In a balawagbon, beer yagbon. No one may be in a webo. A beer yagbon. In a bear webo, so what you care? What you care? You go there, I don't be you. There, I do okay, yagbon. There, I don't more. What you care? You go there, I don't more. All my children, they are going to be the best children in this world. Let me not pass it. Oh, go out to what you do. No, go out to or do to keka. No, go out to or do what do. No, go out to or do to keka. How is it where they manipulate people?